Hey there, this is Lula West Lux. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And if you're new here, a very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We have an unboxing from the Louis Vuitton Murakami collaboration. And to be perfectly honest with you, I am shocked that I am sitting here filming this video today because I did not think this bag was going to happen. It was so difficult to order anything from this collection. First, I'll show you what I got. If you follow my channel and you've seen my other videos, then you probably already know what this bag is. I did not make a secret of what bag I was trying to get from this collection. And then we'll have a little chit chat about how this launch was executed because there's a lot to unpack. And I will also quickly share some photos from the in-store event that I went to on the launch day to pick up my bag. So let's get into it. This is the shopping bag. As I said, I went in store, so I did get the shopper bag, and there we go. It does have some questionable design features on this side of the bag, but we'll just set that aside. And here is the box, which I was using to prop up the shopping bag because we're very high tech over here. Only the best. So here is the bag. Let's open it up. I did get, oh, I have a piece of tape on my hand. I did get the ribbon and the shopping bag, but I didn't get the gift tag. The special packaging seemed to be really dependent on what store you went to. My store had the ribbons and the shopping bags. Other people got a pack of stickers. A lot of other people got the gift tag shaped like the panda. We didn't have those, so it is what it is. And when we unwrap it, here is the box. It does come in just the regular box and dust bag. There's not a special box or dust bag for this collection, excluding the PR packages. Influencers did get special packaging, but it appears that everyone else did not. Here is the bag. I don't know why the dust bag is so wrinkly. It's fine. It's just a dust bag, but I did notice it when I went to pick up the bag that it was quite wrinkled. I got the Speedy 20 in the superflat flowers animation. I love this. I think it's so cute. I love the Speedy 20 size. It's such a small, cute bag, and I think this print complements this style of bag really well. I also love how vibrant all the colors are. The flower design does go around all four sides of the bag. And there you go. It does have the vachetta leather trim with the usual piping. The construction is a little bit different on the bottom of the bag. You can see there is a panel, a separate panel of canvas on the bottom. So the print, the monogram print, does face upright on both sides of the bag. And let's open it up really quickly. I'll just show you the strap and the inside of the bag. This is your standard Speedy 20, so let's see. We'll empty it out and then we'll take a look at all those pieces. There is a special tag. It says Louis Vuitton Murakami 20-year anniversary celebration, made in France. And this does have a really nice microfiber lining. I don't know if it's just me, but it feels very soft, a little bit softer than their typical microfiber lining. I don't know if it's a different material or if it's just me imagining things, but that is the inside of the bag. It does also come with the usual gold lock and key. And finally, we have the strap. Typically, the Speedy 25 in canvas comes with the jacquard fabric strap. This one comes with a leather and chain crossbody strap. So as you can see, it's just two pieces. It is adjustable in the center. And I removed the hardware are the stickers from the hardware on one side. I love that the hardware is a little bit different than the usual strap. Here's the side where I took the stickers off, and you can see there are these studs and they do slide. This is the same hardware that they used on the multicolor bags. The pochette accessoire also has this same style hardware. So I really love this. I think it's really cute. It'll look really nice together when I do decide to wear this bag. I have not worn this yet because I just got it 2 days ago, and it is currently cold and snowing outside in New Jersey right now. So I will not be taking my brand new bag out in the snow. I will be waiting to use it. But let's put this up here. And let's have a little chit chat about this collection, specifically the launch, because it was not done very well. And I think it was a little short-sighted of Louis Vuitton to exclude so many potential customers from this launch. So, as I said earlier, as I think I said earlier, I don't know. I think I said I was not sure this bag was going to happen for me because I have never been unable to pre-order a bag before. Typically, when a collection launches, if there's something I want, I can contact my sales advisor and put in a pre-order. That's never been an issue in the past. However, for this collection, pre-orders were done in 3 waves based on your status with Louis Vuitton. So VVIPs, prestige customers, were able to pre-order first, then the regular VIP customers, and so on and so forth. I was in the 3rd wave of pre-orders, and by the time I was eligible to pre-order, all the bags available for pre-order had sold out. And not only were people unable to pre-order, but a lot of clients were being ghosted by their sales advisors. I do think the sales advisors, generally speaking, overall did the best they could. I talked to a lot of sales advisors, and the impression that I got was a lot of people were overwhelmed by the demand. I forgot to mention the online ordering experience, and I wanted to touch on that really quickly for new customers or customers who don't live near a store. Buying the pieces online was really the best option, and from what I heard, the website was an absolute mess. I didn't try to check out, but many people who tried to check out items online were getting error messages. They could not check out their cart. I also heard that Apple Pay wasn't working on the Louis Vuitton website. It was damn near impossible to get anything from the website. I heard a lot of stories of people who couldn't purchase online. Then they called client services. They were on hold for an hour or more trying to get a hold of someone. And it was almost near impossible to get anything via online ordering. So again, that was a very frustrating experience, and it was one that turned off a lot of potential customers. I think that was a really bad move on Louis Vuitton's part because it's no secret sales have been down, especially the last 2 years. Louis Vuitton really needed this collection to make sales, but I think leaving out potential customers or even existing customers with a lower spend history, leaving out those customers and making it so difficult to get this collection. Perhaps it might have been good in the short term because it makes it this collection more exclusive. But I wish that it was easier to get because a lot of people who have said, I haven't looked at Louis Vuitton in years. I used to be a customer and then I left, but this collection has reeled them back in, particularly the multicolor bags. A lot of people have said, look, I want to come back to Louis Vuitton. I want to buy these bags, but then they're unable to. It really left a bad taste in their mouth. And there could have been customers who came back, bought this collection and nothing else. But I think some of the customers who could have come back and got this collection would have looked at other collections launching this year. It could have potentially brought back not just sales in the short term, but customers for the long term who left Louis Vuitton could have come back. But this launch was executed very poorly, in my own personal opinion. And I think they lost a lot of potential customers who would have come back to Louis Vuitton if they were able to get something from this collection. So that's my 2 cents. I know a lot of people are really frustrated by this launch. I myself was frustrated, even though it did turn out well for me in the end. Even though I was able to get the bag that I wanted, I also have to acknowledge that a lot of people weren't so lucky. You know, a lot of customers are very upset right now, and also a lot of sales advisors too, who were put in a really tough position between wanting to please customers and also just not being able to fill requests when they came in. So, unfortunately, really poorly executed. I was really sad to see how badly this launch was handled. There is hope, I think, for the future Murakami releases. There should be the Cherry Blossoms launch coming in March and the Cherries launch coming in May. Hopefully, Louis Vuitton has learned from this experience and they will improve the experience for those future launches. However, I do think they've lost a lot of potential customers who might have come back for this collection, but since it was so poorly handled, might be hesitant to buy from those future releases. I would love to know your thoughts on how this launch was handled and if it's impacted you as either an existing or a potential client, and if it's affected whether or not you will be buying from the future releases. Comment below any or all of that. I would love, love, love to know your thoughts. However, I do want to end this video on a positive note. I did get to pick up my bag in store on launch day, and the store that I went to did have a small cocktail reception in the evening to celebrate the launch. So I wanted to insert some photos from that event. It did help make up for some of the frustration I felt during the ordering process. They had really beautiful window displays with the multicolor print. Inside the store, they had cocktails as well as hors d'oeuvres and a flower station where you could pick out different colored Gerber daisies, and a florist was there to make a bouquet for you. That was really, really sweet. And of course, they had the whole collection on display so you could mill around, see the bags, the fragrances, some of the gifting items. So that was really lovely. It was a very nice evening. That's all I have for today's video. This is my little bag. Let me know if you'd like me to do a more in-depth review, but it is your standard Speedy 20, just with the additional print on the outside. And again, let's take a close-up before we go, just to get another look. Again, I love how vibrant these colors are. Such a beautiful bag. I really look forward to wearing this when the weather warms up a little bit and it's not so rainy and snowy outside. I'd also love to know if you got anything from this collection. Comment below and let us know what you picked up. As always, I'll leave another video up here for you to watch next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye now.